Oh, I love creating content, and it's one of my favorite things to talk about too, and that's what we're talking about today. It's how to get clients from LinkedIn with the content that you create. You know, your capacity to educate is directly related to your ability to generate more sales and make more money and get more business. The more you can educate your prospects, the easier it's going to be for them to make the decision to work with you, because people are seeking to be educated before they make a buying decision. I'm going to talk more about that later in this video when I give you the singular tip that's going to change everything for you. For those of you who don't know me, it's Chris Pouty, and for the last 21 years, I have had thousands of paying clients that I've helped learn how to attract clients from the internet and from social media, but not in a way that you might think. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get alerts every time I create new content like this. I've been getting a lot of questions lately in the comments on my videos about what people should be doing to prepare for 2023, especially on LinkedIn. It seems like LinkedIn is just exploding right now with people's ability to generate business. Well, my clients come to me because they're seeking innovative and interesting ways to attract clients from social media. Many of them use LinkedIn, and I provide them with a step-by-step strategy that teaches them how to do it themselves, because it can be very frustrating and lonely to go out on social media trying to figure it out all on your own. With mentorship and through this training, they're able to do so with confidence and unlock a tremendous amount of fulfillment in their business. So let's talk about content on LinkedIn, because LinkedIn, all social media, is built on content. It's built on user-generated content. You're the user. By you contributing content to the platform gets to continue. So on LinkedIn, there are many different types of content. I'll talk to you about which one's best for you in just a few moments. But when you're creating content on LinkedIn, it's essential that you create content that is unique and educational for your audience. People are looking to be educated, and they're looking for things that stand out. So if you are unique and educational, you're going to do a great job with that. And before I forget, if you are serious about attracting clients to your business and you'd like to take an on-demand workshop that's going to give you the step-by-step strategy that I use, go to poutyclass.com. At poutyclass.com, you can take this on-demand workshop. It's going to show you the strategy that I've taught to thousands of people and that I use to get an abundance of clients coming to your business. Okay, so all of that is at poutyclass.com. The next tip that I would like to give you is that when you're creating content, work to be entertaining as you're creating it. It's a very interesting thing that happens when you become just a little bit more entertaining in your content. People become more magnetized to it. People consume more of it, and they consume it more often. And so if you're always getting people to consume more and more and more of your content, it would be a good idea to always be seeking ways to be entertaining. That way, you're going to get more eyes on your content, more people exploring who you are and what you do, and you're going to be educating them in a unique way every single step of the way. Then, as you're creating content, seek ways to create content that is most meaningful to your audience. So sometimes your audience is going to respond very well to video. Sometimes they're going to respond very well to written content. Sometimes it's a blend of the two. The only way to truly know is to test. But don't let yourself get in your own way. For example, if you don't like making video, don't make video. If you're not really good at writing, then don't write. But whatever it is that you're good at, pick the 2 or 3 types of content that you're good at and put them out there. See what kind of response you get. See what kind of interaction you get. Then zero in on the content that you're really good at creating that gets the best response from your audience. I was talking with one of my mentees today, and they were telling me about how before we started working together, their content was very haphazard. They would post once every couple of weeks, and then a week would come and they would post every single day during that week. That sort of haphazard posting behavior is not something that the platforms are looking for. In fact, the platforms are looking for the consistent contribution of meaningful content. So when my mentee made the shift from haphazard to predictable and consistent, they started to notice how their business opened up and how more people were starting to come to them. But moreover, they noticed that the platforms were doing a better job at promoting their organic content. I think you'll find the same. So find a way to be consistent in the content that you create. And the biggest tip that I can give you in helping you along the way with your content is the understanding that 70% of consumers, 70% of your prospects who are seeking the solution that you have want to be educated before they make a buying decision. 7 out of 10 people who are seeking the solution that you offer, they're seeking it right now, but 7 out of 10 of them want to be educated before they make a buying decision. The better you can educate through your content, the more likely those 7 out of 10 are going to be to come to you without friction and without resistance. So work to educate in a uniquely entertaining way. And if you're looking for a strategy to be able to do exactly that, go to proutyclass.com right now and sign up for my free workshop. It's on demand. You can watch it and watch it again. And by the end of that workshop, you're going to have a strategy that you can start using right away to attract clients to your business through social media. You'll find it all at proutyclass.com. So that about wraps it up for me in this live today. While everything that I've just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need right now, which is why I'm going to put a link for another video right here for you to check out right now that's going to help you even more. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create new content like this.